Analyst. A specialist in a particular market or industry who gives advice and provides forecasts for that sector. For example, the company's senior oil analyst said that OPEC may need to cut production to balance the market. Auction. A public or online meeting where things are sold to the person who offers the most money. 70% of eBay's sales are from auctions, and the remaining 30% are from fixed prices sales. Brokerage. A company or organization that buys or sells securities, currencies, property, insurance, etc. For others, the credibility of a brokerage or a bank can disappear overnight. The work done at a brokerage the electricity company saved in brokerage fees by selling the bonds directly to investors. Issue. To make securities such as bonds and shares available for people to buy. For example, in January, AMR issues 5 million new shares. Monopoly. A situation where a business activity is controlled by only one company or by the government. A situation where a business activity is controlled by only one company or the government and the other companies do not compete with it. For example, many national airlines used to be monopolies, but this is no longer the case. Securities Exchange Commission. The U.S. agency responsible for stock market regulation. For example, the SEC is looking into a large U.S. corporation's investment arrangements, as it thinks they may be illegal. Stock exchange. A market where company shares are traded. Companies listed on the Madrid Stock Exchange dropped about 30 about a market where company shares are traded. Companies listed on the Madrid Stock Exchange dropped about 3% this year.